Good morning and welcome to BBC Radio News, broadcasting live from the School of Journalism and Communication. I am Maxwell Masharia.
And I am Victor. Thank you for joining us. Today's headline: President Ruto continue his Mount Kenya tour with significant development bridges. Fuel prices drops and exciting development here at Meru University.
Plus, we have the latest from the media industry and your weather forecast. Stay tuned. President William Ruto's tours of the Mount Kenya region entered its final leg today with a visit to Tharaka Nithi County, accompanied by Deputy President Kithure Kindiki and other leaders. The president launched several development projects aimed at boosting the local economy.
In Mbeere South constituency, President Ruto inspected the Kiambere bulk water supply project, emphasizing the government's commitment to enhancing the water accessibility in the region. He reiterated that such initiatives are crucial for the community development and economic growth.
In other news, the Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority (EPRA) has announced a reduction in fuel prices. Petrol and diesel prices have reduced by 5 shillings per litre, effectively midnight. EPRA attribute this adjustment to favorable global oil prices and strengthening of Kenyan shillings.
Turning to the media landscape, Citizen TV has introduced Zuri, an AI-powered newsroom assistant designed to support journalists in research, script, and newsroom planning. This innovation is part of the station's design-first strategy and has sparked discussions on the integration of the AI in journalism.
Meanwhile, KTN News has launched the Gen Z Files, a youth-focused show that explores digital culture trends, features influencer interviews, and highlights innovation stories from the Kenyan young generation.
Here at Meru University, the annual Career Fair Week concluded successfully on March 27. Organized by the Directorate of Career and Alumni Services, the event connected students with potential employers and mentors, offering workshops, internship, and career counseling sessions.
Additionally, the university recently hosted representatives from the Media Council of Kenya Meru Bureau for collaborative discussions on enhancing students. Additionally, the university recently hosted representatives from the Media Council of Kenya Meru Bureau for collaborative discussions on enhancing students' media training, further strengthening ties between the institution and the media industry.
Thank you, team. Here is the weather update for Meru County. Today, expect partly cloudy skies with a chance of light showers in the afternoon. Temperatures will range between 14 and 24 degrees Celsius. Humidity levels are moderate, accompanied by light winds. Students are advised to carry umbrellas and dress appropriately for the changing weather conditions. That's all for the weather updates.
That wraps up today's bulletin from BBC Radio.
Remember, the news doesn't stop here. Stay informed by following us on X at BBC Radio and BBC Radio on other social media platforms.
From the latest trends to campus happening, we have got you covered.
On behalf of the entire news team, thank you for listening and keep it logged to BBC Radio. Inform, inspire, and innovate.